Engine start.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, meron tayong tools na gasoline compression tester. Okay. Buksan natin. So dito ay OEM brand. So manufacturer supply. So dual gauge, cylinder leakage percentage, and the compression pressure. So ito yung extension, so papunta ng spark plug, so for gasoline. Okay, so i-insert natin to dito, yan ganyan. So pag pinasok yan, so okay, so ipasok natin yung connection na hose. Ito mismo dito, ayan. So connection, so ito yung ipapasok dun sa spark plug. So bago nyo i-connect, makatanggal to, hit ganun, spark plug in, tapos yun, saka nyo salpak to, at saka standard compression test, typical compression test for gasoline. Depende sa klase ng yung makina yung i-test. Okay, so ito yung pressure release. So pag nirelease dito, sisingaw, ayan, so lock. Okay, so simple lang yung tools na to, pero so may mga instruction naman dito, ayan. So may action procedure, use oil in cylinder to see if rings are worn. Okay, so okay, may step dito, ABC. So 3 steps. Malaman mo kung ano yung problema, at saka nakalagay naman dito, at kung mekaniko kayo, alam nyo na ang gagawin, diba? Dan sa mga nagdi-DIY, siyempre dapat meron talagang ganitong instruction. So thank you sa ganitong instruction na binigay. Okay, so okay, just follow the manual, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and subscribe on my YouTube channel.